Well, hello my friends and welcome back. In this video, we're gonna talk about a very exciting topic called navigation drawer. So we will build in the next couple of videos together a navigation drawer application. So it will allow the user to display and click this toggle button, and it will display for him a navigation drawer layout with a navigation header layout and other parts. So the other parts will contain the actions and the fragments to be replaced and transacted. So if the user click on home page, it will display the home fragment. The message page, it will display the message fragment, and the setting page will display the settings fragment. Also, there is a login fragment. You can see that we've grouped the actions inside this navigation drawer. So you will learn how to implement this layout, the navigation drawer, how to include navigation headers, how to add navigation items, how to group navigation items, and also how to display the fragments, how to use the navigation drawer with fragments. So you will include the home fragment, you will include the login fragment, you will include the settings fragment, and the messages fragment. Okay, so are you ready, guys, to display all of these fragments and start transacting them and change them and replace the fragments using this amazing app? And we will make an algorithm inside a function that will start replacing all of these fragments in a very smooth way. So let's start building this amazing navigation